Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidheyak 2024. Recently, the Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidheyak 2024 was introduced in the Lok Sabha by the Union Civil Aviation Minister Kinjarapu Ram Mohan Naidu. The bill will replace the Aircraft Act of 1934. The proposed bill will regulate various aspects of the aviation industry, including the design, manufacture, maintenance, operation and sale of aircraft. The proposed legislation will bring the radio telephone operator restricted certificate and license testing process or RTR exam from the Department of Telecom to the Directorate General of Civil Aviation. This will ease the process for pilots as they can secure all their certificates from one single authority, which is DGCA, that is Directorate General of Civil Aviation. Now, why there is need for new legislation? There was an urgent need for the new legislation as the Aircraft Act 1934 has become outdated due to its numerous amendments over the years. The 1934 Act had undergone 21 amendments, resulting in a lot of ambiguities and contradictions, particularly regarding the powers and functions of internal organizations like the Directorate General of Civil Aviation and the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security. These issues have created confusion within the aviation sector, making it difficult for the relevant authorities to operate effectively. The Union Civil Aviation Minister also said that there is a dire need to restructure the whole Act. Now moving on to benefits of new legislation. The Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidheyak has been brought to clear out the confusion and ensure the effective functioning of internal organizations. The new law will simplify processes and improve ease of doing business. The bill empowers the central government to make rules for any aircraft or class of aircraft and for securing the safety of aircraft operations. Aspiring pilots are now able to appear for the RTR exam in any of the DGCA's 14 exam centers instead of only 5 centers where the DOT was conducting it. Now is the time for practice question. Recently, the Bharatiya Vayuyan Vidheyak 2024 was introduced in the Lok Sabha. It will replace which of the following acts? The Aircraft Rules 1937, the Aircraft Act 1934, the Airports Authority of India Act 1994, or the Airports Economic Regulatory Authority of India Act 2008. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.